That is engraved. Oh, the angels are singing. Okay. With the branding, and here's the phone. There's the back. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. I like it. Look at that. It's sleek. As you can see in some of my previous videos, I had this not so subtle soft glow. My camera broke on my old phone, but here we are today. I got the nothing. Okay, let's take a picture. Oh, hey, let's zoom. How? Okay, this is kind of ridiculous. Like, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, you can see the buds on the cactus. Look, 6.3 times the zoom. That's ridiculous. I feel like this will be perfect for my niece who loves to get like really close photos of people just to embarrass them. Just got 3 times. I mean, that's fine. Okay, let's do a video of myself. I like that it's full screen. I also like the pixelated text, so we can like move things around. I don't know. I don't know what some of these apps are. Oh, earbuds. Just from the thing, we can move things up. I like that you can like move it around on the screen. Oh my gosh, I just finished Red Rising. Okay, I see what everyone's talking about. It's good, it's good. It's really good. Wow. I like it. I want to say 4.9 stars. I'm not giving it a full 5.0. I did feel like it was a little too close to Hunger Games, although I do like Hunger Games. I just feel like there's so many books out there that are like it. And I did look up, the movie came out 2012, and this was written in 2013, so it just feels like too close to home in the same era. I'm surprised I kind of missed this, but I don't really follow trends, and so I do find that I'm glad I read it. I also felt like in giving it a 4.9 star, the end of the book, it was really fast paced, and I felt like there could have been a little bit more detail to a few of those final things that happened, because I was just like, wait, what's going on? What? Like, it was just a lot that was happening. I loved it. But overall, I really like the book. I love the storyline. and I actually liked it more than Hunger Games. So this is a really good book. It's to the point where I definitely will pick up the next two books in the trilogy soon. I can't say immediately because I also wanted to read Wall of a Session. And yeah, I'm glad I read it. This was a good book that was just kind of helped me get off of. I stopped reading romance books because life happens and I'm just like on a romance ban. And so therefore I'm only reading sci-fi. Well, sci-fi and like non-fictional books, but oh yeah, this is a really good book if you're on a book slump. So definitely would pick this one up, and yeah, I'm excited to read the next one.